The million-dollar knowledge you are ignoring completely. You know things others don't. Weird, specific things from your life experience. Most people think this knowledge is worthless. They're not correct. Monetize what you already know. List your weird expertise. What do coworkers ask you about? What problems do friends call you for? That random skill from your old job? Write it all down. Find the intersection points. Your marketing background plus your gardening hobby? Garden marketing consultant. Your accounting skills plus your gaming addiction? Financial planning for streamers. Start teaching before selling. Write posts about your knowledge. Make videos. Answer questions online. Build an audience first. Sales come naturally after. Package your brain into products. Turn your knowledge into courses, templates, or consulting services. I know an expert who charges $300 hour teaching Excel to real estate agents. Solve expensive problems. Industries with money pay premium prices. Your restaurant experience becomes food cost optimization. Your parenting struggles become productivity for working parents. Own your weird niche. Don't try to compete with everyone. Be the only person who helps divorced dads learn cooking. The only expert in email marketing for yoga studios. The reality? Someone needs exactly what you know. Your specific knowledge is your unfair advantage. Stop hiding it. Start selling it.